A box?
Is there something in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it from you guys or no?
It's from us. Just pull it open. Pull it right open. Oh, good job.
I didn't even need scissors that.
No.
What is it?
It's the Minnie Mouse headband.
Minnie Mouse ears? What other stuff is it in there?
A Minnie Mouse shirt.
Wow.
And the Minnie Mouse.
Nice.
Wow. What other stuff's in there?
And Minnie Mouse
Do you know why there's all this Minnie Mouse stuff in here?
What?
Where do you think we're going?
Black Pants
To
to
go-
Disneyland.
We're going to Disney World! Are you excited?
Black Pants, yeah.
And we're going in February.
And the Cinderella show.
Nice.
And what's this?
Minnie Mouse body wash, maybe?
Yep. Mini bout.
And we're going to Disney World.
Minnie Mouse. Hey,
Say we're going to Disney World.
going to Disney World.
Are you excited? You're going to see Mickey and Minnie.
Minnie.
You want to see Minnie?
Yeah.
Say Disney.
Disney.
Say yay.